In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a service in Fresha. Before we dive in, let's set the stage by launching your Fresha dashboard. This is your hub for managing all aspects of your business, from scheduling appointments to modifying service listings. Once you're in the dashboard, let's direct our attention to the left side of your screen. You'll see an icon resembling a book, aptly named Catalog. Go ahead and click on that. The catalog is essentially your digital booklet of services, products, and more. To focus specifically on services, ensure you're in the Service Menu section, which you can also find on the left-hand side. If it doesn't automatically display, give it a click. Here, you'll see a comprehensive list of every service you offer, neatly organized for your view. Browse through your service offerings and identify the one you'd like to archive. Right next to that service, you'll notice 3 small dots, a common symbol for additional options. Click on these dots. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select the Archive option. Now, before the service is archived, Fresha will ask you to confirm your action. This is simply a safeguard to ensure that nothing important gets removed inadvertently. If you're sure about archiving the selected service, go ahead and press the Archive button once more to confirm your decision. And that's it. Your service is now archived. Archiving services in Fresha doesn't mean you've deleted them. Think of archiving as a gentle removal, a way to tidy up your service menu while retaining the information for future reference. Should you ever decide to offer that service again, you can easily retrieve it from your archives. It's a neat little feature that keeps your business flexible and organized. If you ever need to revisit services that you've archived, you can simply navigate back to your catalog and filter through your archived items. This approach provides you with the convenience of a clutter-free interface, while still retaining all necessary data in the background. This method not only ensures current offerings are aligned with your business strategy, but also streamlines the customer experience by preventing any confusion about available services. Enjoy the reassurance that your catalog is efficient and up-to-date, and feel free to repeat this process whenever your service list needs a bit of pruning. Should you have any challenges with this process, remember that Fresha support is always there to guide you. Stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your business